Give me a minute and let me try to unpack for you where we are at with the ceasefire. There is no ceasefire. Putin has firmly rejected the ceasefire. And worst of all, after it appeared on Saturday that the U.S. and European leaders were in lockstep that there needed to be a 30-day ceasefire before negotiations could continue, Donald Trump pulled the rug out from everybody on Sunday, saying Vladimir Putin doesn't want a ceasefire. He wants talks in Turkiye, and Zelensky should agree. Pulled the rug out from under everybody, all the painful progress that had been made. He just turned around and supported Vladimir Putin, and that's all we can ever expect from that traitorous tangerine Palpatine. So forget it. He is not on our side. He is not on he's taken $400 million jets from the Qataris. Give me a fucking break. So no, Donald Trump is not helping in this thing. I wish that he would have kept his word and gone the fuck away. But he insists on doing everything he can to undermine Ukraine. So Europe responded by saying, no. Russia has until midnight tonight, which is coming up here local time in about 35 minutes, to accept a ceasefire or face bone-crushing sanctions from the EU. Now, whether or not the United States will go along with that, it seems unlikely, boy, since all they do is send flowers to the fucking Kremlin. We'll have to wait and see now what the Europeans do tomorrow. Hopefully, we will get an announcement from Friedrich Merz that the Taurists are on the way. That's my big hope of what comes out of this. As far as actual meeting in Turkiye on Thursday, Putin, there's no way Putin's going to that. You can forget about that. Donald Trump is making noise that he might go. And I think it's because he needs a strategy conference with Vlad. He needs new marching orders. And so the worst thing that could possibly happen would be for Putin and Trump to go to Turkiye together. Worst thing ever. Even though Zelensky welcomes Trump at the negotiations. So we shall see what happens. We'll see if anybody's in Istanbul on Thursday.